Welcome to Igorotech channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable startup apps in Windows 10. On Windows 10, many apps can register themselves to start automatically during startup and continue to run in the background, wasting system resources that can slow down the experience. When you try to speed up Windows 10, it's recommended to disable all the apps running at startup, or at least those you do not use regularly. To disable apps at startup on Windows 10 to speed up the system, follow these steps. Open Settings. Click on Apps. Click on Startup. Click the Sort By menu and select the Startup Impact option. Turn off the toggle switch for any unnecessary app, especially those marked as high impact by the system. Restart your computer. Once you complete the steps, the computer should start faster than before. Of course, the improvement gain will vary depending on the apps you disabled and hardware configuration. This covers disabling startup apps. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.